I'm going to be doing another video. First, I'm gonna do just like a little American Girl thing. Then I have something that's like gigantic. So here we have the My Life Care set. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and open it. Okay. At it. Okay, this set seems really cute. Okay, this could open my seafood. I'm gonna just everything up. So first up, these just little cookies like flied out. So I'm just gonna show. If we have like a little pink teddy bear with rainbow, then we have this purple one with some heart lollipops. Then let's see, which one to show off next. Geez. So we have some fun little popcorn. Here it says, "Living the Fun Life." It's 2 of them for like if you have a little friend. Looks really good. It's like buttered popcorn. Instead is white and red. They did like a whole bunch of colors because the Care Bears were out in the like 80s. 1980s. Next, there is oops. Okay. Some little milkshakes. The pink one is like holding it up. The little sink comes off. Then there's this purple one. He's like hugging it. He comes off too, like that. Hold on, somebody just went over there. Well, this didn't come set, but I think I kind of want to show it off. It's just like a little blue Care Bear. It's cute. Okay. Next up, there is this little circle thingy. Okay, has tape on it. Okay, this piece is really hard. Okay, I'm gonna peel from the front. Okay. Well, here is just like a little plate of cookies. If you saw this Care Bear, I have the little blue Care Bear. I have the pink cookie Care Bear, and well, on the popcorn cup, there's like the sunshine one. Yeah. Then, the next thing we have is a little like video game thing. If you have like like, you want to make your dolls, like, play a little game, you could just take it and, like. Okay, next up, there is, little cute sleep mat. It's really adorable. It's the little pink one again. It's like really cute. I love like how like shows the little eyes and stuff. But there's still some more stuff. Then we have something really big too. Oh my gosh. Little Care Bear gummy bears. Aww. Oh, these three ones must be popular. There's like, they just throw in little beads and they're like little gummy bears. These are so cute. And like this is just so cute. Okay, now we just have, oh my gosh. Look at this little toothbrush and toothpaste. Look how cute. Oh, finally, we have that little purple guy again. Then we have our usual pink, blue, and yellow. I think those are the birthday colors sometimes. Okay, we're on to our last thing. We have our purple guy. It's like a little case to put in your toothbrush stuff. That is all the Care Bear stuff. I have the big thing right. I'm just gonna push all the Care Bear stuff away. And I'm going to pull down, well, it's another My Life thing. It's really big. It's kind of for a bedroom, so it'll go well with the Care Bear set. But, we actually have the My Life set, a bedroom nightstand shelf and stuff. But I think we need actually move over the set, so. Hold on. So, I'm gonna open up this. It's gonna be really hard because I don't have scissors. So I'm just gonna run down to grab some scissors. I'm gonna just go grab the real. Whoa. I'm gonna grab scissors. Oh, scissors. Okay, I got the scissors. Okay. I just put it scissored. Okay. So, just gonna cut all this, make it loose and stuff. Okay. This one's really hard to get. Well, that finally popped. So yeah, I can get this out now. Actually, Ooh, this is cute. Okay, let's get out the stuff inside. Oh, there's tape. Okay, good. Not any tissue stuff in here. I love how this is. Okay. Now I'm gonna get out the like actual nightstand. And we're gonna work on like the accessories and stuff. Okay. Okay, we got that little thing. Get the tape. This one has like a little bottom rack. Very cute. Same detail like the drawers. Like a little diamond handle. And now we're gonna get out the shelf and we're like really gonna get into the accessories. Okay. Take the scissors and just snip that. And I'm gonna snip the other one. This one's gonna be really hard to snip. Yeah. Oh, it's like so hard. Most there. Wow. Like, okay, this part's gonna be. Okay, I finally got this shelf out. I did a little scratch mark, but that's okay because it was on the side. But it's really cute. It has some detail down here. See that? But now let's get on to the really cute stuff. Well, first up, we have this little plant thing that comes out the little cup. Second is, oh, okay, these are attached, which is almost done with the butt. Okay. Okay, these are like rubber. Oh, they do come apart. They're like some cute reading books that could like on a nightstand or something. And next up we have like I'm gonna try and do like giant stuff and like maybe electronics, but everything else is like in the same little package thing. This is so hard to get out. Okay, we got an electronic clock. And a clock. So it's like this. Then we have a cute mirror. Okay, yeah, this one doesn't. The sticker thing, it's really like. There. Okay, let's see what I got. Wow. Okay, I got the cute little phone. Oh, and that is also what this little slot thingy is for. Like that. But, okay, this is like a really big thing. Oh, I turned this way. we got the little lamp. Cute, isn't it? Okay. And next up we have, a cute little piggy bank. Squawked. I'm gonna have to figure out how this thing opens. Okay, I'll have to figure that out. But it's really cute. It's like a balloon. Oh my gosh, this is like an actual frame. Oh, I'll have to put this back on. There. Oh my. I'll have to. Oh. Got that back in. Now let's get out the little money. Okay, so we have some 25 cents, 5 cents, 1 cent, and here we have 10 cents. That is it of the My Life American Girl doll stuff. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.